Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you with me on my trip from Sydney to Palma Beach. I started my journey early in the morning. I drive from Sydney to Palma Beach. The drive was beautiful and I really enjoyed the scenery. When I arrived, I walked along the beach and enjoyed the fresh air. I also saw a dead shark on the beach. It was something I had never seen before. After that, I walked up to the lighthouse. It took me about 30 minutes to reach the top. The view from the lighthouse was amazing. I could see the beautiful ocean from the top. There was also a water station, so I drank some water and refilled my water bottle. Way back down, I stopped halfway because I found a big rock with a beautiful ocean view. I sat there for a few minutes and did some meditation. It was very beautiful. I could hear the sound of the waves and I felt calm and relaxed. After that, I finished meditation. I continued walking down toward the beach. Along the way, I saw many people swimming and enjoyed the ocean. I really want to go swimming, but I didn't have enough time. Maybe next time. Even without swimming, I had a wonderful day at Palma Beach. After my walk, I went to the park near the beach. I sat down, eat the food I had brought with me, and enjoyed the beautiful surrounding before driving back to Sydney. It was a wonderful day, and I really enjoy my trip to Palma Beach. If you are visiting Sydney, I highly recommend coming here. It is a great place to enjoy nature, relax and spend time outdoors. Thank you so much for watching. If you are enjoying this video, please like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in my next video. Bye.